Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to delete website from Google Analytics. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. First of all, go to the settings option. It might be a settings or the admin. Here you can see the option, click on it. And now here you can see two type of things here. One is account, one is property. We have to delete a property. Select the property from here. You can see I'm selecting the one, and now click on the property settings, and you can see there is option move to bin. Click on it and confirm it to move this property into bin. Now you can see your property has been deleted. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.